Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the overall crypto market. I want to take a look at Coin and kind of dive a little bit deeper into where I think we're headed here because we are coming to a nice consolidation point on the market. We are at 8,380 subscribers, guys. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded line NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So all in all, guys, right now we are above 30,000, a nice consolidation level. Ethereum breaking 2,100. We did break $2,200 2 days ago, but we are consolidating, guys. Just like how Bitcoin broke above 31K, and now we're at 31 and a half basically. But what we really need to be paying attention to is Bitcoin dominance, because I did think we topped out a little bit in the channel of basically the Bitcoin dominance level at about the 47, 48%. And I thought that we could come down a little bit, but all in all, what we are headed for is a higher Bitcoin dominance level. We do want to see a 49, 50%, maybe even higher when it comes to the overall market cap of dominance, because we want to see these altcoins come down a little bit. We want to see Bitcoin make these big moves to the upside leading into the Bitcoin halving, if not a little bit after the Bitcoin halving. I do think that, there's that saying, sell in May, walk away. I'm very, very curious to see how that plays out here because, it doesn't happen all the time in May when people sell all their stocks, but there definitely there's a reason for the saying is that it does happen quite frequently. When it comes to May. When it comes to traditional stocks, people do sell out and they leave for the summer and they come back at the end of the summer. So keep that in mind, guys. But I do think that this time might be, dare I say, different. Whenever people say this time is different, usually it's not. But with the Federal Reserve and what's going on in the overall markets in the world, I would argue to say that there is a chance that it's different. I do think that we'll probably have a little sell-off in May, but if it is a significant sell-off in May, I do think we're going to rebound quite quickly. I really do. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on what the Federal Reserve has to say, what's going on in the overall macroeconomics of the world. But as of right now, we're getting bullish consolidation, bullish continuation on Bitcoin and the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit. That's why you're seeing some of these altcoins raise up a little bit. But I mean, Ethereum being up 1.5%. Binance about 2.2%. It's nothing massive yet. We are not seeing these 10, 20x's just yet. Let's take a look at Coin really quick here, guys. So we did break out momentarily, but we are back in this channel. It's incredible, guys, how technical analysis can kind of work itself out. I mean, I thought for sure we were going to be breaking below right here. Well, we came right back. We broke out, came right back, and now we're still in this triangle. We'll probably have a breakout around the 18th of April. I was saying, I thought that was going to happen, but I thought, when we zoomed out and looked at this previous triangle, we did break out before we reached the pure point of where the necessary breakout is basically forced. But all in all, we are going to break out very, very soon here. We are looking on the daily on Coin. We are above 7 cents, guys, on Coin, which is very, very nice to see. We're still in that stablecoin range, as I like to joke about, the 0.0689 cent level, but we are above it. We are above it right now. We will have a big breakout momentarily to the upside or to the downside around the 18th, in my opinion, because we did find our way back into this triangle. So, are we going to go up or down? That's what you're going to ask me. And I'll tell you what, right now, it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say. But I do think that Bitcoin dominance needs to move up to the upside, which to me indicates that I think we're going to have a break to the downside. And leading into May, I wouldn't be surprised if that were to happen. I would also not be surprised if we did get a little bit of a fake out right here. Broke up to the upside and came back down right back to this level of 0.0689 or just below it. So be prepared for all these outcomes. We have to keep a close eye on this. The closer of an eye you keep on these moves and what's going on in the world will help you benefit, especially if you want to open up a long position or a short position on this breakout trade. And if you would like to do that, go in the description box below. Sign up to BitGet, get up to the $8,000 sign-up bonus. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, open some trades, get up to $8,000. Guys, leverage trade at your own risk. It is a very, very good tool and a useful tool when you learn how to use it, but please take your time. Don't do anything crazy. But if you want to do that, we have links down below. But I do think that there is an opportunity here to either long or short it. It's just going to come down to what's going on in the overall world in the next few days, because it's crazy that we've gotten to this point now where every day really is what's going on, what's going on. Is the Federal Reserve going to talk? If they're going to talk, we're not going to do anything. The markets will trade sideways until they talk. Or if there's a little leak of Jerome saying going to talk. A while back, about a month ago, it seemed like Jerome was talking every day on different platforms, different conferences and whatnot. It was ridiculous. People basically, the media following him around, and whatever he had to say would move the markets. It was incredible. But let's take a look at the S&P 500, because, in my opinion, the S&P 500 is looking pretty good. I mean, we are getting a breakout here, and if we can break above this $4,200 level on the S&P 500, that is a good sign, in my opinion, that we're going to make our way up higher. And if we can make our way up higher, well, guys, I'll be honest with you. If we can break above this $4,300, I really think that there's a good chance here that we're going to be making our way to the previous all-time high on the S&P 500. However, I will say I don't think that is going to happen in a snap of a finger. I think there's time. I think there's a decent amount of time, especially like I've been saying, guys. There's been a lot going on in the world lately, and we've got a lot of superpowers of the world moving away from the U.S. dollar. It is a very interesting time. Never thought that would happen in my lifetime, and it's starting to play out. So very interesting. Looking over at Bitcoin, it is looking pretty good, guys. I mean, I have this channel here that's our new level that we need to be looking at. As long as we're getting daily candle closes above 26,700, it is looking pretty good. Our next target here will be we're going to be needing to get daily closes above 28,000 to have bullish continuation, moving us to 32,000. I am expecting us to reach this $32,000 level and then kind of bouncing off of it. I really am expecting it. It is heavy resistance. And I do think that we have been making severe moves to the upside. We've been making progressive moves to the upside. And, when we zoom out and look back at previous events on the weekly time frame, let's look at the monthly time frame. It kind of paints a better picture here. When you look at the monthly time frame and you compare this move here, these past 4 months, to the past 4 months off of the bottom in 2019, we did have 5 months to the green side, then we had 4 months to the downside, and just pure consolidation, really. And I really do think that we will have that similar price action where we're going to be consolidating for the next few months. And like I've been saying, guys, year of accumulation. Even on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, actually, right now we are in the accumulation phase. So that is very nice to see. Very curious. It's quite a coincidence in my opinion, but it is interesting to see that. We have bounced out of the fire sale area when we were at accumulation, and I do think that this is the year of accumulation, guys. I really do. I think between 19,500 and yes, I do think that there is a chance we come down to 19,500. Do I think we're going to make new lows? I doubt it. And if we do, it would be completely bought up immediately. I think we'd have a type of a V-shaped recovery, something similar to the pandemic dump leading into the Bitcoin halving of 2020. So I am prepared for something like that, but I would not be selling when that would happen. I'd be buying hand over fist. I do have limit orders set for certain price targets if in case of a capitulation event as such, but I don't necessarily think that could happen, but there is always a possibility. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. Get access to our custom emojis and our loyalty badges that you can use in our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, trade signals, and more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And it's a blast talking with you guys there. It's a lot of fun. On top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a member on the channel to winning this loaded line. So very cool stuff. Would love to see you there. That's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.